Alright, this is day number 10 of the daily SAT prep videos. Today we'll be doing this math problem right here. So pause the video and try to do it on your own real quick. Alright, which expression is equivalent to 42a over k plus 42ak, where k is greater than 0? So looking at all these answer choices right here, we see that they're also all fellow expressions. So we can assume that this problem wants us to manipulate this main expression into one of these other expressions showing the answer choices. So let's just do that real quick, right? Let's write out the main expression, 42a over k plus 42ak. So from here, we can actually try to put all these under a common denominator so we can add them up and manipulate them easier, right? So let's just put them all under k since this one's already under k. So how do we do that? Well, we can actually multiply it by k over k since this is just 1. So it doesn't change the value of the expression, and it actually puts 42ak over k. So let's multiply that out. 42a over k plus 42ak squared, since k times k is k squared, over k, and let's just actually get rid of this plus sign right here and put it all under one neat expression. 42a plus 42ak squared all over k. So from here, we can actually start factoring, right? So we see that both these terms share 42a. So we can just factor out 42a from this expression. So let's draw a little arrow right here, 42a. So what's 42a divided by 42a? That would just be 1. Plus, what's 42a divided by, 42ak squared divided by 42a? Well, that would just be k squared, right? This is supposed to be a plus sign. And we would still have that all over k. So this actually directly matches up with D. So we don't need to go any farther. And the answer would be D.